What's up everyone, Tiff Benson here, and today we're going to discover the best fragrances from the house of Amouage by stepping inside Saks Fifth Avenue.
We can make this last, 'cause you know I want you.
Today I'm here to pick up a luxurious perfume discovery kit courtesy of the Artisan Collection. So make sure you stick around all the way to the end of the video so I can show you how to get yours. Gregory, and he's going to help us navigate the house of Amouage. Hi, Greg.
Hi, Tiff.
Please let us know what is so special about the house of Amouage.
Well, Tiff, Amouage is a niche luxury fragrance house founded over a quarter of a century ago in the Sultan of Oman. Amouage perfumes are created by internationally recognized perfumers and grosses in the south of France. Amouage is renowned for creating some of the world's finest luxury, unique, and exotic fragrances. So truly, when purchasing Amouage, you're getting an exquisite fragrance.
Wow. So with so many exquisite fragrances to choose from, please tell me, what do you think is the most coveted from the house of Amouage?
Okay, Tiff, I would have to say the most coveted fragrance would be Reflection for Men.
Okay.
With this fresh, spicy scent, I think it is a fragrance that can be a signature. I think that translates throughout all seasons.
And I see that it also comes with one for women as well.
Yeah, we actually have a women's counterpart.
Okay.
Reflection for Women. Also, fresh, spicy, with a little bit of floral. So this is an amazing fragrance for women.
Can I give it a smell?
Yes, absolutely.
This is lovely.
What do you think?
It's really nice.
It's great, right?
It's fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's very soft and a little spicy.
A little spicy, but that is going to take you from day to evening.
And Reflection Man.
And we have Reflection Man.
Oh wow, this is really nice too.
I love it. One of my personal favorites.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And let me tell you, sure to turn heads.
Absolutely. And I think it's perfect for the summer right now as well too.
Yeah, I think so too. I mean, it could be a signature, but it's also with this freshness, great for the summer.
So on the topic of summer, please let us know what's perfect for the hot weather.
Perfect for the hot weather,
Yes.
I will have to say Beach Hut for Men.
Oh.
It's also fresh. It has that little bit of citrus. So this is going to be great for that warm weather.
And this
Also comes with a female counterpart as well too. We have Beach Hut for Women. And that's too, fresh citrus, definitely going to get you through this warm weather.
So this one has notes of mint and orange blossom, and I can really smell that.
You can smell that.
It almost has like a tiki sort of feel to it.
Yeah. And it also, Tiff, does sort of like a little striptease. Once you get the fragrance onto the skin, every few minutes, a new note rises. It changes.
Wow.
It's perfect.
Awesome. And let me try the
We
other.
have Beach Hut Woman.
Wow, this is pretty too. It's totally beachy, but not in a beachy way.
No, I agree.
You know, it's almost like really refined suntan lotion.
Yeah, sophisticated. Also, just great for the summer. You know, that warm weather is going to get you through the day. Will also get you through the evening as well, too.
Yeah, can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong.
I'd love to smell something that is iconic from the house of Amouage. Show us something iconic.
I have to say, Reflection for Men.
Okay.
Fresh, a little bit of spicy, extremely popular. Running close second, Tiff, I will have to say Jubilation for Men. And we also have Jubilation for Women as well, too.
So, does Amouage offer something that's super sexy for a night out? I'm thinking like to attract a lover. Yeah.
We absolutely do.
Awesome.
I will have to show you, Tiff, Lyric for men.
Oh yes, I love this one.
I wear this as well. This is certainly on my dresser. And when I'm going out for the evening, Tiff, I put this on, and I'm telling you, when I walk into the room, people know I'm there.
Wow.
Right? It is really a perfect fragrance to attract that lover.
Yes, that's important. It is. I would have to agree with you. I've smelled this one in passing, and it makes an impact.
Yeah.
It's subtle, but it makes an impact, and it'll make you, turn around.
Turn around. Who is that?
Awesome. Can I smell it?
Yes, absolutely.
So this one has like bergamot, pine. I love it. I love it for both men and women.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
And you're right too. It certainly is a shared fragrance, so it's going to turn his either way.
We're looking for a polished and professional sort of oud fragrance. What could you recommend for that?
I would have to say Interlude. Interlude for men is a spicy woody scent. Sophisticated, great for the workplace. And then we also have an Interlude for women as well too.
I'd love to smell them. Yeah, definitely.
Interlude for men.
This is nice. This is really nice. Because sometimes oud can be too much.
Yeah, it could be aggressive.
Yeah.
But this is not so much in your face.
Right.
It's a little bit subtle.
Yeah, definitely. Frankincense in there for sure.
Yes.
Yeah, it definitely has a mellow spiciness to it, which I do enjoy.
Yeah.
And for women,
And then I have Interlude for women.
this is very pretty. This is like so elegant. Such an elegant woman should wear something like
You hit
this.
the nail right on the head. It is an elegant fragrance.
Yeah, I love this one as well. It's kind of maybe a little spicy too, and it has that polished sort of oud. I could definitely see myself wearing this.
And I also think with the floral notes in it, it wears easy. It being spicy as well. Yeah.
There are plenty of fragrances here at the Artisan Collection to discover and explore, which is why they're offering you the opportunity to come into Saks and pick up your own complimentary customizable discovery kit. This is the private offer that's only for the subscribers of this channel, so make sure to check the description box right now to discover how you can participate in this complimentary offer.
And Tiff, we would love for your subscribers to stop by the Artisan Collection and curate their own kit. And for your subscribers who are unsure of which fragrances to choose, we have an amazing digital app that will walk them through our entire collection.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tiff.
Thank you for having me.
Amazing.
What do you do after watching this amazing video? Hello, you subscribe to this channel to get other hot topics and more step inside clips just like this. Bye.